Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to do an unboxing video of the MacBook M2. My husband got me as a graduation gift. He actually got me a different color, which was a blue, but I wanted to exchange it because I didn't like the color. So we have the silver MacBook now, and we're going to do an unboxing of that one. It's a big box too, so hopefully everything is in its place. And we can take a look inside. There it is. There it is, a silver MacBook. Okay, now we're gonna open this one. Alright, we're gonna open it up now. Seems to be in good condition. I'm really excited because this is my first MacBook, as I'd never had a MacBook. My old laptop was from 2016, so I had a lot of issues with it. And my husband was like, no, you need a new laptop now. So here we are with the MacBook M2. And as you can see, the display of the outer display of it is very nice and thin. I'll show you in a minute what that looks like. It's a small, it's not too small, it's actually a good size. I think it's a 13-inch, right? 13.5. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Gotta excuse these long nails. Okay. There we are. I'm gonna take the protector off. Now we're on the welcome screen. And as you can see, it has a nice keypad. The display is also nice. It's a pretty good size laptop. And we also can't forget the charger that it comes with. So it comes with this charger, and then also I believe the adapter is here. So it's nice. It comes with the charger cable cord and then also the adapter. Okay, now we're going to test it. So we're going to get started and set this laptop up. I'm going to select English. And the country. We're going to scroll all the way down as we are in the United States. Oh, just saw it too. It's right there. Okay, continue. Alright, now this feature, we can either set this up later or right now. I think we're going to go ahead and do this later. And the Wi-Fi. Alright, data and privacy, so we're gonna continue. Right now we're not going to transfer anything. I do have a Windows PC, so what I'm going to do is click not now, and then my iCloud. So I'm going to set this up later. Agree. Wait. Yes, agree. Different voices.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Okay, we are now all set up. This is the home screen. Looks great. As you can see, the graphics are pretty cool. The display looks really nice. So I'm just gonna play around with the laptop and see what features they have. Of course, here are the apps on the laptop. And we've got settings here. You can change the colors, which looks really cool. We don't have any photos, of course. We've got maps. Okay, wait, let me X this out. No. Alright, so we're gonna open up the Launchpad. Here are the apps on the phone. The laptop, excuse me. So we have all of these kind of features, which is pretty cool. One of which I have actually not seen. Actually a couple, so they're pretty cool. You got some games here. If you have a sticky, you can write some stuff. You got the weather. We've got clock, music, voice memos. Nope, that's all. So I don't think this is a touch screen. Yeah, it's not.
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else?
Alright, you guys, so that was the short video of the laptop unboxing. Just a quick video about the M2, the features, and you can check it out if you ever get one. Thanks for watching.